Guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I decided to show you nightlife. How is nightlife in Thailand? How is nightlife in Bangkok? This is Sukhumvit Road. I'm coming from Soi 11 heading to Soi Cowboy. If you've never seen Soi Cowboy, let me take you there. I want to show you what really happens there. What can you do there? How are the people there? What is their behavior? Let's go into this video, guys. Mama, hi. Are you a YouTuber? What is your channel name?
Later.
Eh?
Later.
I want to know your YouTube. You're filming? Don't be worried to film. Just show publicly. Tell me your YouTube channel. I want to support you. I'm also a content creator.
Let's like
want to do from here? You want to? You have this in Sweden. You have this in Sweden.
If you want, you can go.
Huh?
If you want, you can go. We go down, and then we go back.
What? Okay. Yo, what's up?
Oh, okay, so go.
Thailand is really amazing. It's known for the street food and nightlife. But again, there is something so special, so unique about Thailand. The streets are congested, the streets are busy. And in this video, sit down, relax, grab popcorns, chew your popcorns, and let me show you what is the real Thailand. The real Thailand. Okay? Now I'm taking a walk. Oh, look at this. Now this is the street food that you won't see on the media. Guys, this is a disclaimer. This video is unfiltered, okay? I'm not gonna edit anything. It's going to be raw. Take a walk with me. Leave your comment below. Ask your questions. If you see anything and maybe you want to react on it, just leave a comment and I'll reply. What is happening here? I think this is a crab. A lot of Chinese here. Bangkok congestion will never stop.
買っていくみたいなスタイルも You want to?
We have this in Sweden. We have this in Sweden.
If you want, you can go.
Huh?
If you want, you can go. We go down, and then we go back.
What? Okay. It's so crazy. Who cares about them? Like, no one really cares about what they say. So this street is really short. It's really short.
Oh no.
It's now full.